I never thought that I'd catch this love.
Kailan? Hindi ka pa ba matutulog?
Hindi kasi ako mapakali eh. Ano na kaya nangyari sa date ni Isabel at saka ni Raul? Alam mo, mga ganitong oras dapat tumatawag na yun para mag-report.
Wala na. Sigurado ako binasted na yun. Tapos, sobrang depressed siguro, hindi makatawag sa'yo.
Sa tingin mo ba, yun na yung nangyari?
Sigurado ako doon. Sinop lang yun ng Isabel, sigurado din ako doon. Kasi sobrang kabulastugan yung mga tinuro mo eh. Diba?
Ibig sabihin, wagi yung skin ko?
Ay, may tao. Sino kaya yan? Gabi-gabi na.
Ay! Baka si Raul na yan?
Go, guys. Eh.
Raul?
I'm sorry. I shouldn't be here. I know it's too late. But I need to talk to you about something. You're the only person that I can talk to.
Really?
You're the only one who can understand me.
You sit first. Are you okay? What happened to your date?
The past few days was a disaster.
Disaster? As in bad? Not good?
Yeah, I was so pulled back. Everything you told me, everything you taught me, like, I tried to do it with Isabel, but she got so disappointed, so offended.
She didn't like it?
Well,
So, hindi ka pumasa. Busted ka.
Over the edge, just breathless. I never thought that I'd catch